Hi, if you work in an accountancy practice, managing a client portfolio, managing a team, and you're struggling in any way with workflow, not sure what's going on, where jobs are at, too many spreadsheets, too many trackers that don't quite tell you what you need, watch this short video. We're going to show you how Glide can help you to overcome all of these problems and more in 3 steps. So step 1 is map your processes. Glide's got a process mapping engine and it's going to allow you to map everything you do. Of course, your key services that you provide to your clients, also any processes that go on behind the scenes. Essentially anything that you need to keep track of, you want to have mapped in this format on Glide. From a moment a job's created, which will always be automatic on Glide where possible, through to the point where it is completely finished, your jobs will all be on one of these stages that you have created. So step 2, track your jobs. Ask everyone in your team, whenever anything happens, come to the job card, click a blue button. It's that easy. And step 3 is to sit back, log in every morning, have a look at your dashboards. The dashboards are going to give you complete peace of mind that you know absolutely everything that's going on, everything that's upcoming, that everything that should be happening is happening. So let's have a look at those in a little more detail. So first of all, the process mapping. From the moment a job comes into play until it's done, all jobs are on a stage in Glide. My stages are these blue rectangles here, and every job will always be on one of these stages. The grey rectangles are my steps. These are the buttons that the team are going to click to record that something has happened. So these are the events that can take place. Whether it's information being received from a client, being chased, accounts being drafted, reviewed, approved by a client, they should all exist. For every stage your job is on, you should think, what can happen at this stage? And for everything you come up with, make sure there is a step there. Because what that means is that for every step you've set up, you're going to have a blue progress button. So when you're asking the team to keep this up to date, it really is as simple as they come to the job card and they click a button. Just one button, one click, and it says on it exactly what's just happened. There's no real room for any confusion here. So the members of the team come along and click what has happened. What does that button do? Well, it's keeping an actual date, it's keeping an audit log of whenever anything has happened. It is potentially triggering other automations behind the scenes. Maybe you're setting target dates, maybe you're changing the job holder, passing the file to the manager, back to the preparer, whatever that might be. It could be sending emails internally, externally, SMSs, integrations. All that stuff happens automatically behind the scenes, and it's all really sort of supplementary to the core objective here, which is to give everyone accurate visibility and peace of mind. So on the job card, the text here is your stage. So coming back to the diagram, where are we up to now? In progress queries with client. So we are on that stage. That's where it is on the job card. We've got 2 steps we've added in here: queries chased, queries resolved. Hence we've got 2 buttons. Just looking at the dashboards, every one of your workflows is going to have this stage progress monitor. So that's listing my stages there. So where are we? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue stages on the diagram. Hence we've got 6 rows here. So from the second a job creates until it's complete, it's going to be in here some way. And the only way for it to disappear is for someone to progress through the job. Your dashboards, you know, every user has any number of dashboards. They might be specific to a service. They might be incorporating a variety of related services. They might be dedicated to your work, your team's work, your office's work, your overall work. These widgets and this system are happy in a relatively simple environment. They're equally happy catering for multiple portfolios, teams, offices and departments. So this simple mechanism has worked really well. We've helped thousands of team members in accountancy practices to just turn up for work 100% confident that they've got no lurking issues, no bits of work that have slipped under the net, no files that haven't been reviewed in 40 days or so. Just none of that stuff goes wrong. This is our recipe for workflow success, and if you'd like to learn a bit more about it, please do sign up for a webinar, personal one-on-one webinar with a member of the team here, or go ahead and create yourself a trial system and have a go with that. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.